Add a little bit of oil in a non-stick pan and arrange your dumplings bottoms down. It's okay if they touch, but don't overcrowd your pan. Add some water halfway up the body of the dumpling, like that. Cover, and on medium-high heat, let it steam for about 10 minutes or until the water starts to evaporate. You'll hear it sizzling. Take the lid off and just let it crisp up till it's golden brown on the bottom. Carefully lift it out. Serve upside down on a plate so that the bottoms stay crispy. And serve with either or, the garlic chili oil or the vinegar and soy sauce. Enjoy!